Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix mobile hotspot not working. Open settings, then click connection and sharing. Click personal hotspot. Then click hotspot settings. Change hotspot name. Then change hotspot password. Click the AP band option. Select 2.4 GHz band. Click Save. Click Connection Management. Click Restriction. Select Unrestricted. Then click Maximum Allow Connections. Change the limit number of the connected device to your hotspot. Click Block List. If anyone is on the block list, remove them. Then restart your phone. Thanks for watching.